Keylogger. A keylogger is a type of software or hardware device designed to record and monitor the keystrokes typed on a computer or other input device. The primary purpose of a keylogger is to capture the user's keyboard inputs without their knowledge or consent. This information can include passwords, login credentials, sensitive personal information, and any other text entered via the keyboard. Keyloggers can be classified into two main categories: software-based keyloggers and hardware-based keyloggers. Software-based keyloggers. Installation: software keyloggers are typically installed on a computer system as a malicious program, often without the user's awareness. Functionality: once installed, they run in the background, logging every keystroke made by the user. Remote access: some advanced software keyloggers can send the captured data to a remote server, allowing an attacker to monitor the user's activities remotely. Hardware-based keyloggers. Physical installation: hardware keyloggers are physical devices that are connected between the computer's keyboard and the computer itself. They can be USB-based or integrated into the keyboard hardware. Undetectability: hardware keyloggers are harder to detect than software keyloggers because they do not leave traces in the computer's operating system. Keylogger functionality. Keystroke logging: the primary function of a keylogger is to record every keystroke made by the user. Screen capture: some keyloggers can capture screens.